All right. Okay. So, yeah, like I say, today we are going to be doing percentage. So since you all have already done your percentage, so we just take it like revision. Okay. So if we are doing it more like a revision, then I think you all would actually be able to answer all this. Okay. Who would like to answer? Wow, wow. Okay. All of you want to answer. Okay. Wait. One at a time, before it gets too messy. All right. Okay, you see, so everybody is too messy already. Children, okay, stop. Okay, I will call the names, all right? If not, then we are a complete mess, okay? All right, okay, I tell you what, we'll start with Gotham. Gotham, yours is in orange, is it? Okay, so Gotham has actually answered A. Very good, 35 out of 100 is actually correct. Um, I see answers written in yellow. Yellow is Kaiser. Am I right to say that? Okay, so Kaiser has actually answered B already. So Kaiser wrote simplest form 7 out of 20, which is also correct because when you write 35 out of 100, both can be divided by 5. So we end up with 7 out of 20. Yes, that's correct. Um, okay, what about just now we had who? I saw Samantha's hand as well, right? So Samantha, would you like to tell us about C? What is your answer in decimal? 0.35. Okay, well done. All right, okay, children. Okay, so if we don't have a system, then it's going to get very messy, right? Okay, so just to let you all know, yes, you all can participate, yeah, but because it's a recording, especially for those either latecomers or those who are not attending today, they need to watch the playback. So I will still have to go through the answer. All right. So the first one, let me just get started. So the first one is 35. Second one is 7 out of 20, and the third one is 0.35. Okay, all right. So let's go on to question 2 then. Okay, so yeah, I know there are so many of you. What about Hannah? Would you like to tell us your answer for 2A? Yeah, like I say, I think I will call, right? If not, okay, Hannah is writing. Okay, 80% is correct. Okay, so let's move on to B, yeah? Okay, we have many people today. Shanmu, would you like to write down what's your answer for B? Okay, 10%. 10% is correct. Okay, so let's try C. What about Rose? Rose, can you give us your answer for C? Okay, you look at Rose, she's going to multiply by 4. Yes, correct. You multiply by 4, so what will we have? Okay. Okay, that's a 5. 52%. Okay, good job. Well done. Okay, and for D, what about Lucas? Lucas, would you like to try D? Okay, so Milter actually volunteers. Hold on, because Lucas is quiet. So let's see whether I'm getting anything from Lucas. Okay, I think he's very quiet. Okay, Samilta, you answer D then, and then after that we'll see how. 1487.5%. Okay, well done. 1487.5% is correct. Okay, so like I say, yeah, I will clear this because I need to actually show it, right? Okay, so our A should be, now where am I now? Okay, A is 80%, B is 10%, C 52%. Okay, for D, I actually split it. into the whole number, 14 whole is actually 14,000% already. I mean 1,400% already. Then we still have the fractional part, 7/8. 7/8 is actually 875 out of 1,000, which is actually 87.5%. We join them together, we will get 1,487.5%. All right. Okay, so that's question 2. Okay, so now let's move on to question 3. Okay, so now question 3. This one is still easy, right? Okay, so let's ask Jainam. Jainam Doshi, right? Okay, would you like to answer A? Okay, 70% is correct. So let's well done. Let's go to Subiksha. Subiksha, would you like to answer B? The rest of you, can you just be patient, okay? So that we are able to see all our friends giving our answers. Subiksha, you able to write? I think I can see the attempt in writing, but nothing comes out. Is it because of the ink? Okay, yes, black. Okay, can. Oh, okay. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, okay. Let me, okay, like I say, because we have many friends today. So Wenshen, would you like to help us with B? Because we are still at B. Okay, the rest of you just hold on, yeah. So let me try, just try cleaning first. I'll clean away B and C first, okay? I'll clean B and C, yeah. And then okay. How? Okay, children. Yeah, okay, Wenshen is writing. Yes, 63% is correct. Okay, good job, huh? Okay, so far, all those people who have answered, I think everybody has at least one try already. Okay, who are the ones who wrote the me? Gautam. Okay, Gautam. C. Okay, so let's look at Gautam trying C. Okay, 93.8. Yes, well done. Okay, Samilta D. Okay, that is in purple. Okay, I can see the dot. So it's 115.6. Okay, good job. Okay. So far everybody is correct here. So I will just flash from my PowerPoint then. Hang on, Okay. So we have 70 for the first one, 63 second one, 93.8 third one, and 115.6 fourth one. Okay, all of you are correct. Okay, Kaiser is so excited. She wants to do next. Okay, so let's go to question 4. Okay, so now question 4 is a word problem already, yeah? So Kaiser, yeah, you wanted to volunteer for question 4. So let's see how you can do. The rest of you be patient. Okay, let's just have one person do first. Okay, if not, it is a mess, yeah? And like I said before, it is recorded. Okay, Kaiser is using a model. So let's see how the model comes out. Okay, so at first there is a 40% and a 60%. In the question, 40% were blue. Okay, so at first 40% were blue, then 60% must be the black, right? Okay, then how? 60%, 60 minus 28. And what do we have? 32. And your answer is 32? Okay. But okay, I can see everyone else trying to write. Kaiser thinks so. Okay. Anyone has a different answer? Okay, I tell you what, if you have a different answer, just write the answer here and then I take a look. Yeah, use a different color so that I can see. Samantha is 30. Gautam 72. Jainam 24. Okay, there's another one, a 30 at the bottom, but I don't know who. Yeah, I missed it. Okay, Hannah is 72. Rose, is it? Okay, all right. Okay, Rose 24. Okay, now children, I'm going to clean this. I've seen all your different answers. So of course, out of all the many different answers, there's only one correct answer. The correct answer is actually 30%. Okay, now this question is on changing percentage, which is a P6 skill. All right, which means if you follow your primary 5 percentage style to solve, you'll probably get it wrong. Now I'm going to use a simple model just to show you first. Okay, so pay attention. Now, so Kaiser, maybe, yeah, because maybe for you, you haven't learned that in school, right? Many of them have finished the chapter on percentage. So that's why we are talking about using this as revision. Okay, so let me get started. Okay, now, at first, before we added the gray, okay, at first we only have black and blue, right? So we can call that 100%, which is a grand total of that. And 100%, we can actually cut into 5 parts because they talk about 40% blue, which means 60% black. So you can actually cut into 5 units. Every unit will be 20%. So blue being 40%, I can look at it as 2 units. Therefore, black 60% will be 3 units. Let me just put it down onto a picture for you. So this is a simple model. This is the original 100% made up of 5 boxes, blue 40%, 2 units, black 60%, 3 units. Okay, so how does changing percentage come into the picture? When we have changing percentage, because when we add gray inside, right, you realize that your total has become bigger. But is there any change in the black and the blue? No. But because the base has become bigger, the total has become bigger, the original percentage for black and the original for percentage for blue would have to shrink into a smaller number. Okay, so let's just add our gray. You notice I've now added the gray, which means now my 100% is not just now that 5 boxes anymore. My 100% is now the 5 boxes plus this gray box. So this new 100% is a much longer one. Okay, and they tell us that when this happens, right, the blue became 28%. So these 2 boxes will give you a total of 28%. Therefore, what you can do is you can just divide by 2 to find out what is in one box. 28% you divide by 1 box, you get 14%. Okay, therefore the black is also 14, 14, 14. Rose, don't cut that part. That part is a different size altogether. So now that we know the black has 3 of the 14% and blue has 2 of the 14%, that adds up to 5 of them, right? So the 14% times 5, you will get 70%. All right, which means your blue and black only add up to a total of 70%, which means your gray will be 30%.